Wow, you can't even see across the street, like behind the house across the street. It's definitely blowing from behind the house. And now you can start to see the trees behind the house over there.
Yeah.
Before you couldn't see it, it was completely white out. Just going through a rain ban. I wish you guys could see, oh maybe you guys can, the water that's just spritzing off the house from the wind. Yeah, you can see that we just went through a rain band. You can start to see the trees behind that little shed over there now. Glad we weren't driving in that one. Alright, nothing big so far, just a lot of wind, rain bands. We've had a few tornado warnings, so just hunkering down.